Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 38 of building the Batmobile from 1966. Let's get with it. We're putting the other bit of the floor panel in on this one. After looking at the Cat and the Fiddle, episode 38, obviously. The Laughing Fish is the next one that we're looking at from the comics rather than the TV series. And then Batman 72, the year I was born. Batman was still around. Been around for a long time. So, yeah, there we go. Read all about that if you like. It only looks sad because Robin's dead. You'll get a new one. He gets Robin's, left, right, and centre, doesn't he? So that's all okay. Yep, there we go. All that about Batman. Pulled off his whole costume, but not his mask, not his cowl. Yeah. Yep, there we go. So this is the interior panel. We've got lots of screws to hold this in place. What we've got 4, 8, 10. Yeah, 10 screws to hold that in place, and then 2 more on the other side to hold that bracket down, the one from the axle that we're playing with. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it done. So here we have it. This one is a plastic piece. I assume, I don't know why, is that battery cover maybe? It's that sort of size and shape. We haven't got any batteries or electronics for this yet, have we? So probably is for that. So this is going to go onto here, filling in the gap that we left last time. We've got our bracket that holds that in place, which we need to get in the right place and the right way up, which is about there and about there. So we'll get that there. This will then go on just like that. And we've got our masses of screws to put in place and hold this down. The 2 of the other type obviously will go on later. Once again, I'm not going to film me just doing up lots of screws, but how bad can it be? We've just got basically the 10 screws, 4 along the back, 4 along the front, and 1 either side. So we'll get them all in. I won't be tightening all of these down yet anyway, because I need to make sure that bracket is in the correct place before I do any of that. So what I will do is just get a few of these in place, so we know it's in the right place. Down there. Let's get a couple in the top bit. There we go. Just get the one in the top bit for now. Then let's grab the 2 from the other side. Screw in the new screw pot holder. Ready? So let's flip this over. And then we can see that that's lined up where it should be. It's about there actually, yeah. Make sure. About there, it's sort of in there in the dark, so it's difficult to quite see what I've got. No, not quite lined up, so I need to play around with that. Let me play around with that, get that lined up, get all these screws in, and then see how it looks. Done. Right, there you go. That's that attached on there okay. I did have the bracket on the wrong way around, because it's basically got to be the other way up, but I've taken that partially apart and put that back in the right way around. So that is all now good to go. It's all attached, it's all looking good, and I'm happy with how that is coming together. That is the end of this month's delivery. I do already have next month's delivery, so I will be starting that very soon and continuing on over the next few days. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.